Thanks to everyone who leaves comments on our videos, because this is a quick one from a question we received in the comments, which is basically about dealing with really long bits of text. Now, this is a bit of static text and just a text element, but imagine this is data, you're saying current users, bio, for example, and the bio, you've got like a multi-line input and the bio field contains a large amount of text. Here's just some dummy text. And if we go ahead and preview this, we get all of the text returned on the page. But what if there were other elements in the page surrounding it and we wanted to ensure that this would only be a certain height? So right now I've been a bit sloppy. This is in a fixed layout page. So let's first of all put it in a column. And then let's make the width 100%. So I only want it to be 2 lines. Well, it's as simple as changing the height value to the appropriate height based on your font size. So there you go. 40 is the perfect height for just 2 lines of content. And we'll refresh the page. And there you go. We automatically get the 3 dots added in at the end, signifying to us and our users that there is more text. Now, you could use like a tooltip here to show more text. You could make this like a link through to a pop-up to show them more text. But yeah, basically it's dead easy, dead simple to show that there is more text and to make your text element not so big on the page and take up less space. And if you're learning Bubble and you want to see more videos like this, then click the link down in the description.